What's up, guys? It's your girl, Slimy Squishy Sisters. So, the item today is going to be making, can you guess? Slime! Yeah, my messy area. Very messy. So, maybe if you guys down here, you can see better. So, today, I'm using Crazy Slimy glues, clear glue, white glue, and Nickelodeon slime glue. Nickelodeon slime activator. And Cra-z-art, crazy gels, kids paint scented. So first we are going to get this one, the glue. Ooh, that's some good white glue. Clear glue. We're gonna make this pretty big. Okay. Oops, sorry guys, you fell down. You're back.
Did y'all eat while y'all were out?
Okay. So then I'm thinking of using banana scent, strawberry scent, or purple scent, grape scent. Grape is like a really pretty color. It's lighter in the pictures. It's darker in the in real life and up close. Or green apple. So today I'm going to be using purple or banana. Yeah, I'm thinking of using purple. It may look bluish in your picture, guys, but I'm going to add, look, this is how much of a drop you need to add. About that much. Curve it off and put it back on point. And then you're going to get any stirring stick. Today I'm using a marker. Stir it up before you activate it. I love that grape smell. I'll be right back, guys. And back, guys. My slime. This is just a preview of it after. It looks so blue in the picture, but it's so purple. Look at him. Hey, you see it's kind of a purplish. It's just that I'm in very light. Maybe if I drop my light down, you can see that it's purple. Yeah, I think that helped a lot. And come to the sides. Hi, Moose. And then you can kind of see that it's purple. Then you're going to get your activator and put, yeah, the top's not off of it, I forgot. Get a pencil and kind of pop the top off of it and get some activator. Get your stirring stick of what you were stirring with, and it starts to activate. First, you're just going to want to activate one side of it to make sure you don't activate it, and then you want to mix it. So good. I thought Nickelodeon slime glue was not going to work, but I guess since they're Cra-z-art, both of them are Cra-z-art brands, they're going to make it where Cra-z-art can mix it together, where on here it only says Nickelodeon slime glue plus Nickelodeon thing equals really good slime. See, now one side's activated. Now you just want to mix into the other. I can't wait to let this clear up for 7 days. It's gonna be pretty purple scented slime. Sorry for that. It's my dog. See, it's almost done. And then you want to get your whatever you're mixing tool. Yeah. Whatever you're mixing with. Tool. Put it back down. And then add some more of your activator. And the brand of glue that I got. Sorry. The brand of paint I got is Cra-z-art Crazy Gels Kids Paint, scented at the very top. And it's scented strawberry, orange, banana, grape, green apple, and blueberry. Did I add any more? Oh, yes, I did. I forgot. Sorry. I think this should be able for you to see it. I'm mixing. It kind of just looks like I'm not showing you guys because it's probably a bad slime or something. No, it's just because I don't have something to hold it up with. I'm wondering if I did this, would it like, oh yes, that made it 100% better. Oops. Everything keeps knocking down in my slime laboratory. Oops, don't fall in too fast. And now you can see me mix it. Mix, 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 mix as much as you can. Okay, so I got these glues at 5 and below. And they're working perfectly. I thought 5 and below glues were going to be rip-offs or something. But they weren't. I'll be right back. I'm moving something. Gotti! Add some more activator. Until your slime is beautiful. Until all your slime reaches and goes in the middle when you mix it. And it comes off the sides. As soon as you know your slime is ready, when it's like this, where it's all in one kind of like a group. Yeah, my lighting. I just smelled that paint and it smelled so good.